Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Woah, and today I'm changing the injector connectors on the Accord and doing some wiring with it. So I'll show you on the next one. I can't put the camera on here, so I'll show you on the next one. New one. We're gonna splice that, change it up, or I'm going to. I'm the only one here. Oh, I'm gonna do that. Just did this one, I'm gonna take this one up. But yeah, so far, it's coming along. It's not going that bad actually. So all you need for this job is the splicer. I think that's what it's called. That, and you want to have the wire cutter to cut the wires. That's what I'm using. This one has its own feature, but I honestly don't use it. I'm not using that. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Hopefully the wind noise isn't there around here. That's safe. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. I just cut this part. So what I did was I cut it off of the ignition connector. I have it in my left hand. Hold on. All right, here it is. I cut it off as close as possible. That's not how it was. It was that direction. And when you do this, you want to make sure you remember exactly what color it goes with. So what I did was I had it next to it. I made sure it goes in the same way. So basically, this right one, if you're facing this direction, this right one goes to yellow and the left one goes to red. Now what I have to do is separate these two just like I did these two. Oh, actually, but before I do that, before I get to that, what I'm going to do is put these wires in here. That's what I did before. Put them in here, squeeze them, make sure so they stay connected, and then I'll get to these wires. But first, I'm gonna have to get this one, so I'll be back. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so the problem that y'all probably saw in one of the earlier clips was this. So as you can see, I squeezed it and this wire came out. That's what was in the other time lapse. So I'm going to figure that out, but I got one more to go. So we'll get that done in just now. Basically doing, I was trying to measure these two, get these two accurate. You don't want these wires to bend. You try not to get them to bend. It's not a huge problem. If it does, just straighten it out. That's what I've been doing. So I was measuring these two because what we're going to do is stick them in here. One goes in each container. This is the wire connector. You can get this from AutoZone, O'Reilly's. I literally got mine from O'Reilly's. So as we remember, you need to remember the code. So yellow's on the right side if you're in that direction, and red's on the left. So yellow goes here. And that's what we're gonna do, yellow. And we'll go back to that time lapse back on. This job is looking like a fail, and the only reason why I'm saying a fail is because we're having the same exact problem that we were having before, except the only reason I didn't know the car was shutting off is because I never drove it. I knew it sounded like it was going to, but let's see. The problem is when we start it starts up all right, but then it sounds like it's going to shut off when I drove it, and it literally shuts off if you're at a dead stop. So let's see. So the RPM right now is at 1,000. It's idling a little rough. Oh, my flash is on. It's idling a little rough. Yeah, that's what it was doing before, bruh. Let's see if I can figure out what it is. I'll see you guys later. Guys, so after I was editing the video, I noticed I said the problem isn't fixed. Well, the installation, everything, that part was done well. Couldn't have done that any better. What I mean by the part isn't fixed is the shutting off part, which that I think it has something to do with the intake manifold. I was talking to some of the guys and they were telling me it's probably the intake manifold gasket because I left the old one on. I didn't get a new one because, well, let's just say your boy got something in the works. So I'll just leave it at that. He's going to end the video. Always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Also, hit the like button if you're still watching this video. That'll help me out. Share this video too. And don't forget, click the link in the description. The Ultimate Automotive is in the description. I got a discount code for you guys. Check them out. They have phone cases, accessories. They really have a lot of stuff, bro. Check them out for real. I'm gonna be doing some reviews on some of their stuff pretty soon. I got stuff for the Accord still. It's just I gotta get this problem fixed before I can do anything else. So I'll catch you guys later. Peace.